What's the meaning of boffin? Boffin. Boffin.
Boffin. Boffin. The term boffin is a slang word used mainly in Britain to describe a scientist, engineer, or technical expert who is highly skilled and knowledgeable in their field of expertise. The word was first used during World War II to describe scientists working on military projects. In modern usage, the term still refers to those working in technical fields, but often with a slightly humorous or affectionate tone. The connotation can vary depending on the context, but generally implies a level of intellectual ability and expertise beyond that of an average person.